Looking for a quick way to detox? Well, I want you to check out this recipe from my Health Matters show for the best detox drink. It's super easy to make, made with just a few simple ingredients, and this detox drink will help you to feel refreshed and rejuvenated in no time. It may actually help you to lose a little bit of weight as well, especially that water weight. Let's go check it out. I like to do this first thing in the morning. You're going to get some water and put that into a cup. It doesn't have to be a shaker cup, but you can certainly put it in a shaker cup to make it easier for yourself. And you're adding the juice of half a lemon into, so I'm going to squeeze this live here for you, into my water. And then you're going to add in a little bit of your flavoring, and I like to use a stevia-based flavoring because it adds, without the sugar, it's going to add a little bit of sweetness to counteract some of the taste of the herbal medicines, which I'm going to get to in just a second. So I just add a couple squirts of that, and then I'm adding in my herbal medicines. So this is that full body detox, and these capsules are fantastic. And this is a great way to do this because not only will this help to get digestion going first thing in the morning, but great for weight loss. You won't feel as hungry when you do this. And ideally you're taking these capsules twice a day, but to start your day off with this detox drink is going to be a great way to wake up your organs, your liver, your kidneys, your lungs. It's great for skin detox as well. You're going to shake that up basically. And then you just drink this down. I like this ideally first thing on an empty stomach in the morning, and it is so good. Now you may notice if you're holding on to a little bit of extra water weight, and depending for ladies, in different times of the month, that can happen, of course. This will really help to flush things out in terms of the diuretic effect. So it's a little bit like a water pill. You may notice that the first couple of days or even throughout doing the detox, and ideally you're doing this for, at least a month or so of doing this every morning. You may notice that you are actually urinating a little bit more, and that, of course, is because you are taking those diuretic herbs. I can't wait to hear how this detox drink is working for you. Make sure you put it in the comments below. Now, for more tips on how to do a full body detox, please check out my video, 9 Ways to Detox and Cleanse for a Total Body Detox. I'll see you there.